Hi preschoolers, this is Teacher Jane from McKinney Elementary, and I'm going to show you how I like to use my transportation number sequence puzzles that came home with my preschool materials. You might have one that looks like this, or maybe you'll have a different vehicle. There are all kinds of vehicles that have puzzles that go with them. The one I'm going to work on today is the airplane puzzle, but if you had a motorcycle puzzle, you could do the same thing. I love to go on airplanes and discover someplace new, like maybe someplace warm or maybe someplace really cold. You can figure out which puzzle you would like to do, find your master sheet, the picture, and then I want you to find all of the little pieces that go with the puzzle. All of the puzzles have 10 pieces. You can pause the video and put all of your puzzle pieces out like I've done right above me. Do you see on the orange paper? All of my puzzle pieces are laid out. They're not in order. They're in random order. They're just however they ended up on the paper. And then when you've got them all laid out, we're going to play a game. Go ahead and stop the video and get ready. Are you back? I've got my puzzle pieces here and I have my master copy, my picture of my airplane. I'm going to reach out. I'm not even going to really look, and I'm going to choose the first piece that I want to use. I'm going to pick this one right here. I see a number on the bottom and a little bit of the picture. Now I need to look at my master copy and see if I can figure out where this goes. Do you know what number it is? I'm looking at my puzzle. Ooh, it's not a 10. I think it is a 9. The number looks the same. And look at the picture, a little bit of gray airplane tail. This is where it goes right here. I can see that it matches. I'm going to put it on my paper. And now we're going to play the game. I put on the number 9. So I can either figure out what number comes next or what number comes before. I think I'm going to do what number comes next. So I have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I'm going to count on and figure out what number comes next, 9, 10. Number 10 is what comes next. So I need to look for the number 10. Here's my clue. Right next to the number 9, I can see the 10. So I know that's what I'm looking for. You might even know what a 10 looks like. I think I found it. Oops, it wiggled. I can just fix it. Here's my number 10, and I already know where it goes because it goes next to the 9. Oh, look, there's a clue too. There's an edge piece, and there's the little bit of the last piece of the airplane. I'm going to lay them out. I have 9 and I have 10. Now I'm going to do before. What comes before 9? Let's see. I'm going to put up my 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 is what comes right before. I see it looks like this. The number right before the 9 looks like this. I'm going to look for it. It's got 2 circles, 2 small curves. I found it. I found the number 8, and I'm going to put it right there before the 9. I've got the last 3 pieces of my puzzle already done. I can either see what comes before 8, or I can reach out and just choose a new piece. I think I'm going to choose a new piece, and I got a 2. Where would my 2 go? Here it is. Is that where it goes? Put it on top. And now I get to play again. I can choose, do I want to see what comes before 2 or after 2? I know that you probably know what comes before 2. That's an easy one. Do you know what comes after 2? Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can complete your puzzle. I'm going to work on mine too. I'm going to get it all the way done. And then we're going to show each other what we made. I might have an airplane. You might have a motorcycle. Let's see how many different puzzles we can work on and make together. All right, get to work and then come back at the end and tell me what you've made. I'm going to work hard. 1 comes before 2. Did you make yours? If you're not done yet, you can pause the video until you're finished, but I want to show you mine. I made an airplane. I am going to go on the airplane to someplace warm, and I'm going to play in the water once I get there. First, I'm going to fly on the airplane. Next, I'm going to play in the water. And last, I think I'll fly back home. What are you going to do? Which puzzle did you make? And where will you go in your imagination on that vehicle? All right, thanks preschoolers. I hope you have fun with your puzzles and figuring out what comes next and what comes before, and then counting all the way to 10. Bye-bye.